to what I was saying.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is another vlog because we are going to Fort Worth. I have my sister and our friend Carrie here, and we are gonna show her around Fort Worth. Just waiting for the train. Are you excited?
I am. I'm ready.
Pretty. So cute. Hi guys.
We're on the second level of the train. It's really cool.
We are going to the souvenir shop. Yeah, so we will have to cross. So we are gonna try Love Shack. Yeah, let's eat. Let's go. Okay guys, Love Shack is closed, so we're looking for another
We're gonna try again somewhere else.
It's weird, they're closed. It's Monday and they are closed. Wow.
How y'all doing?
Talking about that.
And then my cousin got me another one. Like a $10 top.
There.
So hot.
Oh my god guys, ang init. Sobra. So hot.
It is. That car was really hot.
Yeah.
Thought I was gonna like burn my thigh. So I was like scared to jump out.
Rodeo cowboy. Yeah. Don't mess with Texas shirts. Everything is bigger in Texas. Cards, postcards. Magnets. Oh. Ben. Let me see. You are entering a redneck area. You may encounter American flags, armed citizens, neighborhood sprayer, and country music. Proceed at your own risk. Wow.
Got a shotgun as a Christmas ornament.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Only in Texas.
This is Christmas ornament. You wanna go on stage? Okay, go.
You want to get a picture together on the stage?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you mind holding the
phone.
postcard?
Here.
Let's use your phone. Okay. Good morning, ladies.
Hi guys, we are finally back here in Dallas. So we had fun.
A fun day. It was so hot
It
out.
was so hot though, but we had fun.
I can't wait to go swimming later.
Yes, we're gonna go swimming after the ramen place. So yes, I will update you all later, guys.
Oh, just got kicked out.
guys, we just came back from Fort Worth. It was such a long day, guys. Nakakapagod na, tapos ang init-init pa kanina. So I think I have to close this vlog, and I hope you all enjoyed my vlog. When you end up liking this video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye!